This video demonstrates how to embroider a French knot. You can use French knots in any area of the kit that has dots or small circles and can choose to make your French knots with the blue, pink, or white floss. Begin by bringing your needle from the back of the fabric to the front, exactly where you want to make a French knot. Place your hoop on the table and use your free hand to grab the floss close to the fabric. Now bring that floss in a forward motion over the needle and coil the floss around the needle twice. 1, 2. Continue to hold the floss in your hand and adjust the tension of your floss as you bring the point of your needle to the fabric. Place the needle against the fabric, very close to, but not into the hole that your needle just used. Adjust the coils by tightening or slacking the tension your hand is giving the floss. Once the coils are very close to the fabric, push the needle into the fabric. You can now let go of the floss and use your free hand to hold the hoop again. Pull the needle to the back side slowly and evenly until a small and perfect French knot is formed. You can also group French knots together to make a rich and luscious texture.